Greetings to our viewers. Today we have with us our patron and principal of the College of Vocational Studies, University of Delhi, Professor Shiv Kumar Sehdev. Thank you for giving us your time today, sir. Sir has agreed to answer some of our questions regarding the National Symposium on Artificial Intelligence. Sir, my first question to you would be, as the patron of this symposium, what goals or outcomes do you hope that this event will achieve for the students and the researchers and the wider academic community?
As the patron of this symposium, my foremost goal is to spark curiosity and meaningful dialogue among students, researchers, and educators about the evolving role of artificial intelligence and information technology in the social sciences. I hope this platform encourages participants to think beyond traditional boundaries, to explore how technological tools can enrich and research, analysis, and teaching in fields that have always focused on human behavior and society. More importantly, I want this event to build confidence among our students, to show them that they don't have to choose between technology and the social sciences, but can bring the two together to create new possibilities. If this symposium can inspire collaborative thinking, innovative projects, and a sense of shared purpose within our academic community, I would consider it a true success.
Thank you, sir. So, moving on, as the patron and as the principal of the college, so what inspired you exactly to extend your support and guidance for this symposium, and what aspects of this initiative actually resonate the most with you?
What inspired me most was the idea of bringing two seemingly different words, technology and the social sciences, into one meaningful conversation. We often see AI and IT as purely technical fields, but their influence on society, culture, communication, and human behavior is becoming stronger every day. As an educator, I believe it is important to help our students and faculty understand these changes and prepare for them. Supporting this symposium felt like the right step to spark dialogue, encourage fresh perspectives, and show the social sciences have a vital role to play in shaping how technology is used in the future.
Thank you, sir. Moving on, artificial intelligence is so far an unavoidable and mostly uncharted field for the students and the faculty members of the Delhi University as well. But you're still deliberating, having such a grand deliberation on it. So, could you share the specific targets and outcomes you expect this symposium on AI and its impact on social sciences to achieve?
As an educational institution, our role is not just to provide knowledge, but to prepare our students to adapt and grow in a rapidly changing world. For social science students, this means helping them understand how emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and information technology are reshaping society, economics, and even human interactions. Institutions like ours must create spaces where students can learn to connect their understanding of people, cultures, and social systems with new digital tools and data driven methods. This can be done by encouraging interdisciplinary learning, offering workshops and seminars, and promoting collaborative projects that blend technology with social research. By doing this, we can equip our students not just with technical awareness, but also with the critical thinking and ethical perspective needed to use AI and IT responsibly for the betterment of society.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving us your time. I'm sure that the National Symposium that is being held on 8th and 9th of October at the India Habitat Center will have a lot of insightful gainful knowledge for us to gain.
Thank you very much. We all are eagerly waiting for this event. My best wishes. All the best to all of you for doing good work.
Thank you, sir.